AI is changing medicine, not by replacing doctors, but by giving them superpowers. Think of it as turning a flood of data, genes, lifestyle, lab results, scans into decisions that actually help you. From data to decisions. Here's the crash course in 3 minutes. Step 1. What data are we talking about? There's your genome, the instruction manual you're born with. There's your exposome, everything you're exposed to, like air quality, diet, sleep, stress. And there's clinical data, symptoms, meds, lab values, imaging notes. On their own, these pieces are noisy. Together, they tell a story. AI reads that story at scale. Risk prediction. AI looks across millions of people to find patterns that raise your odds of disease. Polygenic risk scores estimate inherited risk for things like heart disease, diabetes. Add lifestyle and lab trends, and you get a living risk profile that updates as your life changes. The goal isn't to scare you. It's to personalize prevention, earlier screenings, smarter habits, and targeted meds if you need them. Diagnostics. Medical images are packed with information we can't see. AI models spot tiny lung nodules on CT, subtle diabetic changes in retinal photos, even heart issues from a smartwatch ECG. In pathology, algorithms scan slides cell by cell, flagging cancer faster and with fewer misses. It's not magic. It's pattern recognition at superhuman speed. Treatment selection. 2 patients can have the same disease but respond to totally different therapies. AI sifts genomics, tumor mutations, prior responses, and side effect profiles to predict what will work for you. In oncology, that can mean matching a tumor's mutations to a targeted drug, a combination therapy, not just standard chemo. In mental health, models help fine-tune which antidepressant to try first, reducing trial and error. Drug discovery. This is where timelines collapse. AI screens molecules in silico, predicts binding to targets, and designs new molecules. It helps optimize dosing, predict toxicity, and repurpose drugs for new diseases. What took years of lab work can start with days of computation, and then move faster into real experiments. Clinical trials. Finding the right participants is hard and slow. AI reads medical records to match patients to trials by diagnosis, biomarkers, prior treatments, and geography. Better matches mean faster trials, fewer dropouts, and results that generalize. For rare diseases, this can be the difference between no options and try this now. Let's zoom in on cancer. AI analyzes tumor genomes to identify driver mutations, predict immunotherapy benefit, and monitor minimal residual disease from blood, like a radar for relapse. It can even track response between scans, adjusting plans in weeks instead of months. The result, more precise therapy, less guesswork. But precision needs guardrails. Data privacy matters. Your health data must be secure and used responsibly. Bias matters. If models are trained on unrepresentative data, they can miss or mistreat certain groups. Transparency matters. Clinicians need to understand why a model suggests a choice. And none of this replaces judgment. AI proposes. Humans dispose. So, how do you benefit today? Ask if your clinic uses AI-enabled imaging or decision support, and how it's validated. If you're high risk or managing a chronic condition, ask about genomic testing and how results guide care. If you're exploring trials, request AI-assisted matching from your care team or trial navigators. Use reputable wearables and portals. More high-quality data means better insights. From data to decisions, the promise is simple. The right care for the right person at the right time. Not average medicine, your medicine. The future isn't robots and lab coats. It's clinicians with better tools, patients with clearer choices, and treatments that fit like a key in a lock. If this helped, share it with someone who's navigating a diagnosis. And if you want a deeper dive, genomics, imaging, trials, I've got follow-ups coming. Take care and take charge.